Yeah, this is the R-Tech, the new R-Tech air-fed welding helmet. It's been something I've been looking for, a welding helmet, for a long time, and then I saw that R-Tech had just brought one out. Of course, I've got the R-Tech welders, really like R-Tech stuff, really rate it, and this is a much more affordable option than a lot of the competitors, but it doesn't scrimp on features and consumables. Are, really reasonably priced. So I thought, well, this is the machine to go for. So here it is. Right, I've now got all the bits out of the box and I've had a bit of a look at the instructions. Very comprehensive, all in English or other languages, but starts with English. User guide, it's all laid out rather nicely. So, let's start with this belt. I didn't expect such a good belt. I don't know what I was expecting, a plastic clip or something. But look, aircraft style, you've all seen it. Make sure your safe belt is fastened. Really easy. You've got big welding gloves on, no problems. Nice satisfying clunk click every trip. So that's really good. And that's what holds the filtration pack and the battery and everything. Everything looks really good quality. We've got lots of spare lenses for the helmet. We've got the carry bag, the hose and everything, the charging unit. Nothing too special about that. This is so it's 3 stages of filtration: stainless steel filter, a odor filter, and then an activated carbon filter. So this has got like a bayonet twist locking system on it, which is rather good. So you just put it in here, twist it, locked in. Then the lid closes, done. So really easy to change your filters. There's a screen here that tells you all about your battery life and everything. It takes 2 hours to charge this battery here, but you get 8 hours of use out of it. It's a lithium battery. I'm just working out where this goes. I did just read the instructions. It goes here, look. Simple as that, so that's nice and easy. So the overall weight of this it's all right. It's iPad kind of weight. Nice quick release on there. Battery off, battery on. And I'm sure you can buy separate batteries. So if you really are doing 16-hour days, take one off, click, second one on. Simple as that. So here we go. This needs to go onto this really light strap thing. So that slides on there, the clips, lovely jubbly. So there we go, that's the belt module on. And you put it round the back here, swing your buckle round, click. And you can adjust this really easily, in usual sort of seatbelt kind of fashion. Yeah, that's not bad. So a few features with this: we've got a flip up, the welding bit flips up, so you've got grinding mode. And you've got different coloured lenses for that, so that's really convenient. So you don't have to keep changing out between welding and grinding. On the inside, once you flip that up, out the way, it's a lot easier when it's on your head. Look, it's got these brilliant springs in there. There's no plastic cheap clicky thing. It's got some proper springs in there. Once that up, you can access the controls, and then from the inside you can see the controls, and you can easily change on a screen. You click between functions. You've got grind, cut and weld, and you can change the sensitivity, the responsiveness of it, and obviously the brightness or the shade really easily, and actually positively see it's there. Obviously you can test it, but all done really easily. I'll do a little video of that in a minute inside the helmet. So going back to those features, we've got this incredible range of vision. We've got these side windows here and the main lens here, so it gives you a huge window to look out of for your visibility, which is fantastic. And then the optical rating of this helmet is 1/1/1/1/1, and that's what you need. You need that filter, the UV light welding filter, to click in as fast as it possibly can, which this does, and to filter out as much as it can. They're the 2 ratings that this really excels in, and that's what you need. And then of course you've got the filtration system as well, which is, you know, filtering out all of those nasties that you want to breathe in. So this gets you HSE, you know, within HSE guidelines for breathing apparatus. It is the proper piece of kit. So here we are with the air filtration unit just off the belt. So I'm going to turn it on now, press and hold. So you can't easily turn it on and off, you've got to actively do it. And then we've got this nice screen here. You can hear the fan going, you can feel that, there's a fair puff going on. And it's telling us how many litres a minute of air it is giving. It's also telling us about the filter quality, if it needs changing. It's telling us about how much battery we've got. It's also telling us our fan speed. Now if I press and hold the fan, it goes up to the second speed, indicated here, and it's giving us more air. Press again. Full speed. Now that is really whacking out some air. Yeah, that's quite impressive. We're on weld and we've got the lens set to 12, and then on the left we've got the parameters that we can change: shade, sensitivity, and delay. And then over here we've got the controls. So the plus and minus for the shade, and for all the parameters there we can change. We've got a mode button. It's very hard to focus this because it's behind a lens, and the function and the test. But yeah, you can just change between the modes and change all the parameters to what it is you want. So here we go. Got it all out. So I'm going to connect the air hose. A nice O-ring in there as well. Connect that with the bayonet fitting to the air pack. And the other end, same again, bayonet fitting into the head unit. I think it's probably easier to put this on first. So I'll probably go a bit quiet because it's so well sealed. So we'll get this on my head. Open up the lid so I can see. And then the air pack, I'm going to put this on with the clunk click every trip. And I'm going to have this on the side just so I can get to the buttons. So press and hold, beep. Right, so we're all suited up, fans on, in the box, welders on, cranked it up, so we've got lots of amps, so we should get lots of fume. Fans running on first speed, give it a try. So the shade's a little bit dark. I can see out the side of windows, so I'm going to alter that. Much better, can see much better there. Nice clean air, can't smell any welding at all. And it's keeping me slightly cool as well, I'm not getting hot. And even though I'm talking in the helmet, the fan isn't misting up, the screen isn't misting up, so the fan is keeping the fresh air in. Can't smell any welding at all. So there we go, I've unboxed it, I've given it a try. Really impressed with it. I think it's a great bit of kit. Obviously it's just out the box and that's all I've done with it, but first impressions are really good, and obviously as I use it more I'll make comments and updates within my videos, but this is just a specialist sort of video to this product. I have paid for it. I haven't paid full price, so I'll disclose that because I'm doing the video, but I have actually paid for it. So it's not a freebie giveaway. My only criticism so far, love the bag, like the bag, and it's got a pocket to put your gloves in. Stick your logo on it. Brilliant bit of kit, really pleased with it, and obviously it'd be you know, telling you how I get on with it as I use it. But so far, big thumbs up.